I'm really very happy to attend this program, and the railway stations and the overbridges which all here. I'm really very happy, and I thank our Honorable Prime Minister and I thank our Deputy Chief Minister for coming to this program and participating with us. And it says when there is a good cooperation between the governments, definitely there will be upliftment of the mood of the people, as well as there will be more of development projects in the country. So a good relationship, a friendly relationship is needed, and I'm really very happy. I'm very happy to attend with these brothers, whether it is Lakshmananji, who is a long-term associate with me, and with our Deputy Chief Minister, and with all our officers, so that I'm really very happy I could make it possible, because I'm coming from a longer distance and particularly wanted to attend this program in my state of Telangana. So I love this state, and I have to tell in Telugu little I will tell, because pardon me if there is any mistake. రైల్వే ప్రాజెక్టులు మరియు ఫ్లైఓవర్ మన అభివృద్ధికి చాలా ముఖ్యమైనది. ఈ దేశంపై ప్రధానమంత్రికి ఉన్న శ్రద్ధ అనేక అభివృద్ధి కార్యక్రమాలను తీసుకువస్తుంది. దాని ఆధారంగా ఎన్నో అభివృద్ధి కార్యక్రమాలు చేయబట్టాం. తెలంగాణ ప్రజలు తరపున ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. ధన్యవాదాలు.